What's going on, YouTube? This is the part 2 of the IG mashup that I did. If you didn't check out the first video, definitely check it out, as there's more of like the basics and why I'm doing this part. But it's meant to be value added, so there's tips and actual screenshots of how many Nikes I sell a day, what I do that's good, what I do that's not so great, the family. So check it out, let me know what you think, and give me a thumbs up if you like it. River is increasing. I don't think it's gonna go over the road though. Still got, I don't know, 8 inches or something. Over there on that side, just about as much. Can't really tell. Stop home after the gym and get my monkey suit. All time to be a monkey. Peace. Good morning, Instagram. I had a question about how many Nikes I sell like a week or a month. Little Monday motivation for you guys. Make sure during your journey that you reward yourself. It could be like the Kohl's Cash I'm talking about, or a Visa gift card, one of the rewards programs from one of the stores you like, or you use the top cash back money from online purchases or Ebates. Maybe you're traveling and you go to a better hotel than you normally would. I don't know, guys. You know what you like and don't like. But the point is just make sure to reward yourself along the way. Big old Mississippi River. Hey, little fella. How you doing? Hi, buddy. How close are you gonna let me get to you? This is insane. Hi. Uh-oh. Utility knife. Then I tipped it backwards, and I did the same thing on the other side using this as a straight edge. And now I'm just getting ready to box it up. Okay, so I'm just going ahead and I'm putting the edges around the box. By the way, big note here, I wouldn't normally use a medium flat rate box like I'm doing right now, but because I don't have any other priority boxes, I'm kind of limited because I want this to go out here in a couple hours. So what USPS is going to do to me is they're going to charge me whatever's higher, whether that's the medium flat rate or the dimensions of this via priority. So not the greatest example, but at least gives you an idea how you can use something like this to resize it. And what I did on this side then is I went ahead and I put it towards the edge of the box, and I went with the utility knife on the inside here to score that. And now I'm just going to push this inside and actually tape that up. Oops, didn't do too good. That end up, and then I will simply repeat on the other side, put a whole bunch more tape, and then go to the post office.